Hi everyone, welcome back to our YouTube channel, and today we are comparing ClickUp versus Notions in 2025, two of the biggest productivity tools out there. If you are trying to decide which one actually better for you, stick around. I will break down the real pros and cons so you can pick the right one. So here, first of all, we are going to begin with what actually they are. So ClickUp is an all-in-one project management tool. Think task, timelines, docs, goals, sprints all under the one roof. Here actually you can see the interface of them. On the other hand, Notions is more like a flexible workspace. It is a part note-taking, part wiki, part task manager, and ClickUp feels like a structured project hub, while Notions is like a blank canvas, so you can customize for anything. On the other hand, let's talk about the easy of use, like which one is more easy to use. So when it comes to ease of use, Notions wins the flexibility. Here you can see why this one, like you can build pages, database, dashboard, however you like, but the freedom can be overwhelming for some people. On the other hand, ClickUp has more built-in structure. You get list, boards, timelines, and all ready to go. So if you want plug and play project management, ClickUp is simpler out of the box. If you want full control and love to build your own system, Notions is amazing. Now let's talk about the key feature of both platforms. So feature-wise, ClickUp is loaded for terms. Like you get tasks, dependencies, workload views, time tracking, sprint goals, all perfect for managing teams and big projects. On the other hand, Notion shines for knowledge management. Think personal wikis, SOPs, notes, and more, even AI writing tools. Notion does have tasks and Kanban boards too, but it is less advanced than ClickUp for service project tracking. In 2025, Notion's AI has also gotten better for summarizing notes and writing content, a huge plus for writers and solopreneurs. So now let's talk about the pricing of both platforms. Let's search for ClickUp pricing here and then search for the Notion's pricing also. So I will click to the ClickUp pricing. Here you can see this one. Then let's go to the Notion's pricing also, Notion's pricing. And here actually you can see Notion's pricing already been changes. So here we will get to see that this one, just click to the pricing, and here you can see ClickUp paid plans start around $7 per user per month depending on features. On the other hand, Notion has a free plan, but the free plan is very gorgeous, but Notion starts around $10 per month for themes. And if you watch solo, Notion's free plan is very gorgeous. ClickUp free plan is also a solid one and it is free forever, but more theme focus, you just need to be saved to the premium one. So now let's talk about which one should you pick. Like if you need serious project management, tasks, deadlines, sprint, Gantt charts, and especially for teams, then you can go with the ClickUp platform. Or if you love flexibility, building your own workspace for notes, wikis, and light task tracking, then you can easily choose your Notion platform for your work. Some people even use both ClickUp for tasks and Notion for notes and documentation. It is really depends on your workflow. So I hope you understand how these two platforms really work and which one you should need to be select. So alright, that's the real ClickUp versus Notion's comparison for 2025. Which one do you prefer? Drop your thoughts in the comments, hit like if this helped, and subscribe for more real honest comparison. See you in the next video again.